Like, they are so loud, like they're like in the theaters. I'm trying to film and they're so loud. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. But if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified with every video I post. Also, you make sure you follow me on my social media platforms. It'll be in the description box below. So in this video, we're going to be doing transition from a protected style into my natural hair. So y'all just gonna watch me take down my hair, then deep condition it, do the whole 9, wash it, and style it. So I'm gonna show y'all a little tutorial on how to take down these butterfly locks, because I know they've been difficult on taking down. A lot of people have difficulty taking down, so I'm gonna just show you guys my way on taking them down. And then after that, we're gonna go into taking down my braids, washing it, like the whole 9. As y'all can see, I already started taking some down just to see. Y'all can see the new growth. But yeah, hair is getting long for sure. Okay, so with butterfly locks, there's definitely been a lot of difficulty on taking them down from people. So I see a lot of people like cut it from the bottom and just try to like tackle with all that. It's never that serious. How I do it is, so usually I try to find my braids through the roots and try to slide it out so I can see. And literally just pull it out. So my hair is out, and then I cut. And that's it. Pulling it out. Sometimes you might get a difficulty on pulling it out, so that means you might have to do a little bit more cutting. So I'm about to just pull that out, cut at the root. And then usually you can just like pull it, or if not, I just cut the bottom. These scissors are buns, okay? I ain't gonna lie to you. Now, obviously, the hold is in the bottom. So I'm just gonna have to play with this because I don't have better scissors. So we're just gonna cut this off. So now that's out, and then everything just slid out. So sometimes it might get stuck because it's kind of like too compact. Like it was too compact towards the bottom, so you might do have to do a little bit of cutting, but for the most part, it should be trying to slide right out from the top. But yeah, some of them might be easy just to slip right out, your hair right out, and then you can just get to cutting. But some of them, you might have to like try to do some cutting at the bottom. Make sure it won't be like, since that braid won't be compact. You might have to do some of that, so it's all varies, literally. All right, you guys, so y'all just gonna watch me take down the rest of them, and then we'll get to the braid takedown, because these are all braided, so I can see. So we'll get to the braid takedown and everything, so yeah, just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so it is all done, all out. I don't know what I'm giving, but guys, so I'm all done. Golly. So now I need to just kind of comb it out a little bit more, because y'all go in the shower and wash your hair like this and it's not fully combed down, y'all gonna get tangled in the shower. So yeah, I just need to I'm just gonna go through it one more time, kind of just brush it out, brush everything out. I'm just gonna be combing out my hair, get all the shedding out that's shedded throughout the whole time my hair was in the protective style. Y'all, so I'm using this little cheap brush I got from the beauty supply store, but I would use my little raking brush, the little pink one I use. My hair is huge, okay? This is what y'all call thicky. I'm like really regretting washing this and deep conditioning. Like, not here for it, not here for it. But this my hair all combed out. This is probably how much hair I lost. Not bad, not bad. Cause I got a little something on my pants, but this is really main of it, majority of it. Oh, a little bit from this brush, but some of that stuff been on there. This is how much hair I lost. I think I'm gonna watch this in the morning. It is late, so I am gonna just put this in a little bun. We're gonna continue this in the morning. All right, you guys, so I did an overnight deep conditioning, so it's the next day after that day. So it's the morning time, and I'm about to rinse my hair. The style I decided to do today is a stretch braid out. So I'm gonna be blow drying my hair. So that was another reason why I did an overnight deep conditioning, so my hair can be moisturized and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just show you how my hair looks after the deep conditioning. Okay, so this is how my hair looks with the deep conditioner. So this is what I used: the Creme Pure Honey hair mask. It's for intense hydration, and it's for dry or dehydrated. It's for dry or dehydrated hair, and it has pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter with yogurt. So I've been seeing this in my beauty supply store, and I was like, I want to try it. So yeah, so this is how it looks, how it feels. I'm gonna just take it out the braids to show you. I'm about to rinse this out. So this is how it looks in my hair. I'll get a little close up for y'all. Stuff like that. My hair, I feel like, yeah, it's soft. I feel like it would definitely penetrate it better, maybe in some heat or something. But it's fine. I did a little overnight deep conditioning, so sometimes I like to just make sure I rub it into my scalp. Cause sometimes it don't be getting on the scalp as good. I'll be just having to rub it in a little bit more. Make sure y'all really get the deep conditioner in them roots, massage your hair, stuff like that. Helps with the hair growth, so for sure. Let's see. It's giving, it's giving. All right, you guys, so I'm about to rinse this out, and then I'll be back, and then I'm gonna be blow dry my hair, show you the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna be using, and all that. I just rinsed out my hair, so now I'm about to apply this leave-in conditioner. I'm now trying, it is my first time, so it's the Thank God I'm Natural green tea super moist leave-in conditioner. So this is how it looks. I don't know, like when I was at the beauty supply store, it was just screaming my name. So I grabbed it, and it was the last one, so I was like, I just grabbed it. So I'm about to part my hair in 4 sections. Clips would be very helpful right now, but I don't know where none is. Shoulda, woulda, go buy some. Facts. It is dripping. Okay, so gonna apply some of this. Only a little bit, y'all, since I'm blow drying my hair. I'm gonna apply a little bit. I kind of put too much on the first part, so I'm not gonna lie. Got the handy dandy blow dryer from Red. Got this from the beauty supply store. And then I put on low heat. This is how it look. I'm not gonna go too in throttle with the too in depth with the blow drying. Like, this is the fro period. So now I'm gonna be doing a braid out my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna use for this braid out. So I'm gonna do my braid out with this Creme Pure Honey Twist and Hold Define Custard. That's how it looks. Same brand as this deep conditioner. Comb. Brush that product in thoroughly. Regular braided. And guys, when I do the parting, like the sizes, not the sizes, like the parting do not be looking the best. So I don't really like to have neat parts. I kind of just like to braid wherever. Okay, so after I braid, I'm gonna take the ends, I'm gonna just twist it. And then I'm gonna take some of this gel, this Eco Styler gel, and then twist my ends. I'm just gonna be doing that all around my hair, and yeah. Alright, you guys, so I am done with my whole head. That's how it looks. So I flat braided like these so it can like lay flat when I take it down. So, you know, it can all be like flat and flowy and voluminous. So, and like I told y'all, I twisted the ends up. So I know they're just, you know, perfect and just, you know, intact. Because sometimes when you braid it, it kind of unravels sometimes. Just depends though, not all the time. But yeah, I just like to twist the ends. Yeah, they look all like very moisturized, like very much moisturized. I am gonna oil my scalp. Oil my scalp with this Jamaican black castor oil. Y'all know I love this stuff because it helps with the growth, the thickness of the hair, and to get my hair moisturized, my scalp moisturized. So I'm just gonna go around and just moisturize my scalp. Make sure I just rub it in real good. I'll let this penetrate in my hair. Let this penetrate in my hair until I take these braids down, which will be today or the next day. Just gonna rub that all in. And all the excess oil just rub down the hair shaft. And that's it. So yeah, y'all, let me know what y'all think, and we'll come back and do the takedown and then the final results. So I'll be back tomorrow. Hey y'all, welcome back. I was in the middle of taking down my hair. I'm like, oh snap, I need to record. So I already took down a couple, and y'all see the definition. It's given. It's given. So I'm just trying to take them down. I got my nails done today. Like, I just been on the go. So I'm about to just take down my hair. I'm trying to do it very gentle and just do like a pulling thing. I'll show y'all. So just pull. Golly, it's getting stuck. The definition is definitely busting, if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see. This is cute. separating. Okay, so this is how my hair looks separated. Now I'm about to just do a little picking moment. And that is it for this tutorial. This is how my hair looks. Fluffy, flowy. My hair is definitely growing though, for sure. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure if you got any questions, let me know in the comments. And I will talk to you guys in the next video.